Now, welcome back to part 2. We set navigation shortcuts on the infotainment, and you can get more plates, screens. Let's say screens. Some things to see is you can move some things on your screen. Well, in navigation you can't, but if you just swipe your next one, you can just swipe without next or previous. If you have and then if you go backwards, you just go backwards. If you don't have the play and next and previous button, these are just buttons, so that doesn't count. But if you have the bigger screen of the music, you do get buttons if you are running on Android Auto. So yeah, go back, not so interesting. Go back, next, go back, next. I think maybe some people are interested. Does this work? No, it doesn't. It just doesn't. And if you want to do that, and Spotify doesn't help you either, so that's that. What do I have more? You can have the vehicle data, but the issue, no, not now. I said vehicle data, not hello ID.
Please repeat.
No, thank you. But the issue with this screen is if you are, no, let's go there. If you're swiping like this, you there or there, you just put next and backwards. It just doesn't work. Then you need to press it here on the lower side to go sideways. Go up. Anyway, or press on it in 2, 3. But that gets more difficult. So what I will just do is just remove that whole thing. Thank you. And then that will be all right. If I change this to, oh, okay, wait, it's done. I can hold this and keep driving data, and that's everything I need to know for now. So that's that. So I can keep scrolling sideways. I will just use another one. But let's go on. Our next part of shortcuts is our notification screen. There. No, not there. Well, welcome to the life of the infotainment. Standard, you have 3 options. 4, sorry. Well, you need to put a hotspot so that will work. But when you long press on it, you do get more options. Why does nobody says this? Nah, I want window heating. There. I can't. Or you do only get 4. Okay, this will be, you need to choose. Okay, I will just go there. But this is also handy. No, I want that there. Why do I get only 3? 4 options. Okay, what does this two actually do? And this. I'm actually interested. Now, let's go back. What does this do? 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's handy, but is that quicker than that? No, not really. Because this will always work. This just takes time. And what does this do? What do I see? Or it's a shortcut. 4 adjustment of the, can I change? Nothing interesting. Don't put it there then. This may go. Actually, both may go. You know what? This till 2.1 comes. This goes up. Steering heating is not interesting. Window heating, well, I do have the button there, so I don't need that. Home, go home. Always handy. And that's it actually. If you have traffic program, it's maybe handy, and hotspot enabling, disabling is also handy, but beside that, do I need it? No. It would help if I just could put one or two more, at least two more, but I do have the space on both sides. Whew, interesting. But that are some infotainment shortcuts I currently know. Maybe there are more. If you know there are more, put a comment below, and I will just show them to the rest of the world, and they can use it in their own car. If it's ID.4 or even ID.3 or even the future, the other IDs, doesn't matter, it will be the same. So thanks for watching. These were the infotainment shortcuts, and I hope you liked it and have learned something new. And then I'll see you again in my next video. Later!